Good morning, 16th August 2021, morning Sakar Murli. Om Shanti, Bab Dada, Madhuban. The ocean of knowledge, Shiv Baba says, sweet children, remain tolerant in every situation. Underline the word tolerant, power of tolerance. Maintain equanimity in praise and defamation, and in victory and defeat. Underline the word equanimity. Tatastha bhav. In praise and defamation, and in victory and defeat. Don't believe things you hear from others. Question: what is the easy way for souls to make constant progress in the stage of ascent? Answer: only listen to the one Father and no one else. Don't waste your time in unnecessary talk and in useless thoughts about others. And you souls will be constantly in the stage of ascent. By listening to and believing wrong things, even good children fall, and this is why you have to be very careful. Om Shanti. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Examine yourself. Very important point. Check whether you have become very sweet. What do I lack? Have I imbibed all the divine virtues? Let your behavior be like that of the deities. Renounce impure food and drink. Whatever, not only in the food and drink in terms of these matter, but also on a subtle level. What I read, listen, or watch, these are my food, subtle level. What I consume through my eyes, through my ears, through my sense organs, these are my intake. So, renounce impure food and drink. So I have the power to choose what is healthy for me, what is beneficial for me. Don't listen to or relate any useless matters. There's no point in listening to or relating to any useless matters because they will lead to wastage of time. Become tolerant. Blessing. May you remain stable in your karmatit stage as you handle all the service taking place everywhere and become an embodiment of success. I repeat, may you remain stable in your karmatit stage as you handle all the service taking place everywhere and become an embodiment of success. Explanation: as you progress, in order to handle all the expansion of service everywhere, you will have to adopt various facilities because letters, telegrams, and telephones will not work at that time. At such a time, you will need a wireless set. For that, 1 minute be a Karma Yogi, the next minute practice stabilizing in your karmatit stage. Then with the success of your thoughts, you will be able to be cooperative everywhere. Slogan: the form of God's sustenance of love is your easy yogi life. The form of God's sustenance of love is your easy yogi life. Today I, the soul, take this pledge. Shiv Baba, O my unlimited Father, spiritual Father, you are unlimited and you make me also like one, like yourself, unlimited. So I can handle all the service taking place everywhere and become an embodiment of success by remaining stable in my karmatit stage. So, I take this pledge, Shiv Baba. 1 minute I will be a karma yogi, and once the karma is over, the action is over, the next minute I practice stabilizing in my karmatit stage, going beyond this matter, this body, this limited world. I go to the unlimited world. I transcend. And Baba has told us which is the easy way for souls to make constant progress in the stage of ascending. Answer: only listen to the one Father and no one else. So I take this pledge, Shiv Baba, I will only listen to you, my unlimited Father, and no one else. I won't waste my time in unnecessary talks and useless thoughts about others. And I will ensure that my soul, the soul, is constantly in the stage of ascending order. Thank you, Shiv Baba. Have a great ascending stage. Om Shanti.